Welcome to Psych with Sigmund, where we delve into the lives and works of influential figures in psychology. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating life and contributions of Alexander Luria, a Russian psychologist who made significant strides in our understanding of human cognition, behavior, and the complex relationships between brain function, culture, and individual experience. Alexander Romanovich Luria was born on July 16, 1902, in Kazan, Russia, to a family of intellectuals. His father, Roman Albertovich Luria, was a physician, and his mother, Evgenia Viktorovna Haskin, came from a family of educators. This environment not only nurtured Luria's intellectual curiosity, but also instilled in him a deep respect for the intersection of science, culture, and human experience. Luria's educational journey began at Kazan University, where he initially studied social sciences and philosophy before turning his attention to psychology. His interest in psychology was piqued by the works of William James and Sigmund Freud, among others. However, it was during his time at the Institute of Psychology in Moscow that Luria truly found his calling under the mentorship of Lev Vygotsky, a renowned psychologist known for his work on cognitive development and the role of language in shaping thought. The collaboration between Luria and Vygotsky was pivotal. Together, they developed the theory of cultural historical psychology, which posits that human psychological processes are fundamentally shaped by social and cultural factors. This theoretical framework emphasized the importance of understanding human behavior within its specific historical, social, and cultural context, a concept that would become a cornerstone of Luria's work. One of the most compelling aspects of Luria's biography is his expedition to Central Asia in 1931 to 1932, alongside Vygotsky and Alexei Leontiev. The purpose of this expedition was to study the cognitive development and behavior of people living in remote, less industrialized areas, comparing them with those from more urban, industrial settings. This research provided invaluable insights into how cultural and environmental factors influence cognitive processes such as perception, memory, and problem-solving. Luria's work took a dramatic turn during World War II when he was tasked with developing methods for assessing and rehabilitating soldiers who had suffered brain injuries. This experience not only deepened his understanding of the neural basis of cognition, but also led to the development of innovative approaches to neuropsychological assessment and rehabilitation. His book, Higher Cortical Functions in Man, published in 1962, is a testament to this work, offering detailed case studies of patients with brain injuries and providing insights into the localization of cognitive functions within the brain. A notable example of Luria's approach to understanding brain function through clinical observations is the case of Zazetsky, a soldier who suffered a severe brain injury that affected his memory. Through his work with Zazetsky, Luria demonstrated how specific cognitive deficits could be linked to particular areas of brain damage, contributing significantly to our understanding of the neural basis of memory and cognition. Luria's contributions to psychology extend beyond his clinical work. He was also an ardent advocate for the importance of considering the social and cultural context in which psychological processes occur. Despite the significance of his contributions, Luria's work was not without its challenges and criticisms. Some critics argued that his reliance on case studies limited the generalizability of his findings, while others debated the theoretical implications of his cultural historical approach. Nonetheless, Luria's legacy as a pioneer in psychology remains uncontested. His commitment to interdisciplinary research, his passion for understanding human behavior in all its complexity, and his dedication to applying psychological knowledge for the betterment of society have inspired generations of psychologists. So, how can we apply Luria's ideas to our everyday lives? By recognizing the profound impact of culture, history, and social context on our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, we can foster a deeper appreciation for the diversity of human experience. Luria's work reminds us that our brains are not isolated entities, but are deeply interconnected with our environment and the people around us. This understanding can guide us in developing more effective strategies for learning, communication, and social interaction. His legacy challenges us to continue exploring the complex relationships between brain, culture, and behavior, inspiring new generations of psychologists, educators, and anyone interested in the intricacies of the human mind. If you enjoyed learning about Alexander Luria, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.